Hey everybody, Chris here. So could a new all-time high be coming for Dogecoin? We're going to explore that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. And we were live on Monday and we were looking at Dogecoin's tracking right around 11 cents, and we had a dip below that happened. Couldn't quite hold that 11-cent line right now. Could be a buying opportunity for those on the dips, and some still think there's going to be a bigger retrace coming. But we are in October now, and the second half of October generally looks to be very positive in the start of this last leg of this whole bull market that we're in. An epic bull run coming. Could we see all-time highs for Doge? Let's get into it. Let me show you the news and the charts. I'll show you what I'm looking at. And we'll start here looking at the Dogecoin chart, and we're at 10.77. Overnight we did have a dip down to about 7.63 right there. Happened early this morning. Here's the 11-cent line in yellow. Just couldn't quite hold it here. We were up in this channel between 11.5 and 11, and we had a dip below last night. So what does this mean for Dogecoin going forward? Well, there's a lot going on overall. Let's get into it. Dogecoin accumulation hits record high. Is another rally on the horizon? Large Dogecoin holders, they're accumulating Doge. What is this big accumulation about? Is this signaling that history could be repeating itself, with Dogecoin potentially gearing up for another significant rally? We've looked at Ali before. We'll take a look at his charts in a minute. And we also have some new ones here that we'll take a look at. Doge God here, looking at something very similar, looking back 4-year cycles. Again, looking at 4-year cycles. Big run that Dogecoin had 2016 into 2017, and again 2020 to 2021. Despite market fluctuations, Doge has shown resilience and a strong ability to recover from downturns. The pattern of large holders accumulating Doge is typically seen before a major rally. And with this recent surge in accumulation, it seems that institutional and whale investors are betting on a strong upside in the future. So that is what we see for Doge. Right now is the time to accumulate. Accumulating Doge and then being patient. Investors who follow Dogecoin's historical patterns are likely keeping a close eye on developments, expecting a repeat of the dramatic gains seen in previous cycles. Could this be the start of another Dogecoin rally? So we look at a lot of the into the block data, and I posted one of these on X Twitter this morning. So again, follow me. I'm at Chris Pax here on X Twitter, and this is holders in the green. There are still, despite Doge being at 10.7, 72% of all holders are still in the green on Dogecoin. So that's a lot better than Ethereum at 63%. Cardano, only 22% of holders of Cardano are actually in profit right now. And look at Toncoin. Only 15% of holders on Toncoin are in profit. So we're at 72. Now, Bitcoin's up in the 80s, but for Doge is up there in the alts, one of the top alts in the green, even with Doge down here at 10.75 cents. So that means a lot of us are sitting pretty. I know some of you we see on the live streams still trying to dollar cost average down from buying in later high, and some still left over from the 2021 run. But pretty soon this is going to be all green. This is going to be all green, and that's what we're going to be looking for. So Dogecoin price could revisit 10 cents before rallying 50%. So what is this in the short term here before this, this short-term rally? It's like, Dogecoin price shows signs of a potential dip before it can continue its uptrend. The recent breakdown of a key support level suggests a further pullback is likely, providing sidelined buyers an opportunity to accumulate Doge before Doge shoots higher. That's right. So interesting that here at the end of September, this run up to 13 cents here, they're calling this a liquidity hunt. this was actually taking out a bunch of shorts. And we saw that on Bitcoin as well, a bunch of shorts being taken out. And here, as I'm recording this, we are getting more shorts being taken out here. We get it on Solana and Sui and Bitcoin and Pepe even, that we are seeing prices start to come up, taking out shorts. Doge up to 10.79, Bitcoin coming up to 62.6. So there's a lot of traders are betting on prices to come down lower following a drop in the Chinese stocks. But that doesn't translate over to crypto. Crypto already has come down, now is ready to loop back up. That seems to be what we're seeing, is that loop back up. So what does this mean? This means from this liquidity hunt, we could be seeing a drop back down to 10 cents to take out more of that leveraged longs. So now they're taking out some shorts, and these are some recent shorts here, but they could drop even lower, take out more of those leveraged longs before coming back up. We see the whale interest. An analysis of on-chain data shows large transaction count increased in the last 24 hours. This indicates that these large holders are interested in Doge at the current price levels. This is a bullish outlook and hints at an increased volatile move ahead. We have the liquidation data. We've got more longs than shorts for Doge. Bitcoin has huge shorts that are up at like 70K, and that's what we need Bitcoin to get up to like 70K to then have an epic short squeeze. That could be coming, but on Doge, not as many shorts up there. So there is an expectation that price is going to move on Doge and not as many big bets on shorts for Doge. And we also see this surge of social dominance, a 5-month high suggesting investors are potentially searching for Dogecoin as a keyword on social media platforms. A spike in social dominance shows increased chatter about Doge, which can attract new investors. High social dominance can sometimes precede price increases as more investors become interested. So that is a good sign as well. Interest is coming back. I know it's been a long summer and it's been tough. Interest is coming back. And then we did have another statement from Elon Musk, and this was on his conversation with with Tucker Carlson. If you watch this, it's about hour 48 minutes. Interesting conversation between the two, but it was more here near the end, talking about Elon's role in a Trump administration, where he's talking about this Department of Government Efficiency, or Doge, right? Reducing 80% of government agencies from 428 now to about 99. Interesting conversation. Of course, Elon just kind of jokes, like we call it Doge. Just call it Doge. So there's going to be a lot of that coming. So we'll be watching that. But what else do we have to talk about? Golden opportunity. Experts say Doge could soar to new heights. That's right. Similar signs of potential rally. Whale activity increases. Social interest surges. Analysts predict possible new all-time highs based on historical patterns and technical indicators. Again, too long didn't read for those that don't want to read everything here, right? Dogecoin price shows signs of potential correction before continuing uptrend. Whale activity, large transactions increasing, indicating institutional interest. Social dominance of Doge, 5-month high. Analysts predict possible rally to new all-time highs based on historical patterns. And the breakout from multi-year descending triangle pattern suggests upcoming price surge. So this is Javon Marks, and Javon is looking at this chart again. Typically, there has been a major downtrend followed by a pullback, a little run and a pullback, major downtrend, little run and a pullback, and then major downtrend, little run, pullback, and now we are here. And what happens with this? Well, both times in the past, there's been a run and another pullback, run and another pullback, run. We just have this pullback. What is this followed with in history? Huge spikes in the price. Is this what is coming for Doge? Dogecoin's past tells it all why another epic 200% rally could be in the works for Doge. And this is our good friend Ali Martinez, who we look at here. And this is Ali's chart blown up that, again, 2016 into 2017, 2020 into 2021. And here we are, same kind of pattern. We just had this 65% pullback. Last cycle, it was a 56% pullback. Cycle before, 60%. So this is the pullback we just had, and now this could signal this run, which could get Dogecoin up over $1, which would be new all-time highs. That is the familiar pattern breakout from the multi-year descending triangle, 200% surge with a 60% retracement, and then bull run. So that is what that's pointing to. Preparing for another monumental surge for Dogecoin, new all-time high incoming. That is what we are looking at. Again, it's worth noting that predictions imply a 5x uptick from the current price of Doge, given that the present all-time high level is about 555% away at 73 cents. This is pointing to this first run toward the end of October, followed by another 50% for the end of the year, and then 2025, as I've been looking at, is when we would most likely see this huge run up. Again, large transactions are on the rise, and with that, institutional investors and Doge whales preparing for the upcoming upswing, as we are seeing these optimistic price trends. So as we are seeing the leveling of Doge right now under 11 cents, are you prepared? Are you ready? We continue to explore all of this, not only with Doge, but how it relates to Bitcoin, what's happening with ETH and other alts during our live streams every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 o'clock p.m. East Coast time. I'm in Boston here in the United States. So please make sure that you're subscribed. You've got all your notifications on, and join in on the live streams. Always a good time. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Do you think Dogecoin is going to hit a new all-time high this bull cycle? Give the video a like. And as I say, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.